Hi guys, welcome back to my channel on this very cold winter's morn. And guys, as promised in the last video, in today's video I plan on making the slide out on the other side of the motorhome. So follow me and I'm going to show you what we need to do. Okay guys, so this is the other side of the motorhome. I don't think I've ever taken a shot from this side, but basically that is where the slide out is that I made a couple of videos back, and that's the door. And in today's video I plan on making a slide out for this side, and as you can see it is even larger than that one. But guys, before I can make this slide out, there's one issue that I need to resolve first, and that is that this floor is still laying loose on the aluminium frame. And as soon as I put this slide out in position, it's gonna wedge this floor in between the slide out and the aluminium floor, and I won't be able to reach the other side to bond it to the aluminium frame. So the first thing I need to do is lift this floor up and just bond it onto the aluminium frame permanently, put it back in position, and then I can start making the slide out. So let's get going. Hey guys, and now the floor is bonded in position and I've already cut the slots where the rollers are going to go. I can now copy and paste everything on that side on this side. So sit back and relax whilst I show you a montage of me doing this whilst listening to some complimentary royalty-free music. Nice. Next. Nice. Next. Check it out, guys. This is the inside of the motorhome, nice and big, but the magic happens when you start opening. I'm just joking, it opens quite easily. I'm still gonna have to connect the front and the back so that they will open simultaneously, and I also am gonna be putting an electric motor on these slide outs so that they can open with a push of a button. But guys, just have a look at how absolutely massive this motorhome becomes when the slide outs are extended. Anyways guys, lots of progress done once again this week. Now that this slide out is done, the only thing that remains is for me to make the roof. And a few eagle-eyed viewers out there might have noticed that I've already started working on the roof structure, but I'm going to tell you all about that in the next video. Until then, cheers!